Yes, so what did I say? I said atmosphere is a gaseous envelope surrounded earth from all sides. This atmosphere is present by the gravitational attraction of the earth on the earth. The life prevails on the earth only because of the present atmosphere. If there is no atmosphere, the earth will become barren. Okay. Am I right? Now, atmosphere provides all gaseous. Ozone layer acts as a protector. The ozone layer, as I said, acts as a protector to obstruct the ultraviolet rays from the sun. The ultraviolet rays is very harmful for the human beings. It influences the climate condition of the earth also. The ozone layer. The troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the exosphere. In the troposphere, plains are there, clouds are there. In the stratosphere, we have jets. In the mesosphere, we have hot air balloons. Thermosphere, we have the meteors coming and the satellites going around, and the rockets are in the exosphere. That's 400 kilometers above. Simple definition. Okay. Atmosphere can be classified into different layers. This classification is mainly based on the temperature. The main layer in the atmosphere is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Troposphere, this is the lowest layer of the atmosphere on the or the atmosphere layer close to the earth's surface is called troposphere. The word troposphere is derived from the Greek word tropos, which means to turn. According to the latitude and seasons, height of atmosphere varies. At poles, it is about 8 kilometers, and at the equator it is about 17 kilometers away. All weather changes take place in this layer. This includes cloud formation, rain, snow, hailstorm, lightning, thunder, etc., etc., etc. As we go higher in the troposphere, and therefore the temperature drops. The temperature in the troposphere decreases steadily with increasing height. That is, for every 165 meters of height, temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius. This is called normal lapse rate. Now there is a boundary between troposphere and stratosphere. It is called a tropopause, means end or stop. Stratosphere, this layer that lies above the troposphere, it extends up to 50 kilometers from the surface of the earth. This is a quiet and safe zone for aircraft to fly, and there are no disturbances due to weather conditions. Didn't I tell you just now the plane flies in that area? In the lower part of stratosphere, the temperature is constant but increases in the upper part. For about 30 kilometers from the surface of the earth, the temperature remains steady. Ultraviolet rays from the sun absorb oxygen molecules and split them into oxygen atoms, which aid the formation of ozone. As a result, heat is released. This causes rise in temperature in this part. Now, ozone layer is also present in the stratosphere. It is mainly concentrated between 15 to 18 kilometers, 80 kilometers. It acts to obstruct ultraviolet rays. Uppermost boundary of stratosphere is called the stratopause, I told you. Then we come to the mesosphere. This is the middle layer. Meso means middle, above the stratosphere. It extends from 50 to 80 kilometers above sea level. Here also temperature decreases with height. Okay. Then we come to the thermosphere. 80 kilometers to 400 kilometers is above the earth's surface is called ionosphere. Temperature is increases with increasing height. It is due to ionization process. The temperature is a part of increase because we are going closer to the sun. There are short waves in the electromagnetic spectrum like X-rays causing ionization in this area. Ionosphere reflects radio waves. During daytime, the ionosphere is well developed and it reflects radio waves effectively. The thermosphere is divided into two spheres, ionosphere and the exosphere. Ionosphere extent is from 80 to 640 kilometers. Number of electrically charged iron particles are concentrated in this air. That's why this layer is called ionosphere. Exosphere is the uppermost layer of the thermosphere. It extends up to 640 kilometers to open space. In this layer, temperature is increasing with increasing height. As you go up, the temperature increases. The earth is unique because it has got life. Life is critically dependent upon the presence of air, water and land. The atmosphere is the envelope of air around the earth held in place because of earth's gravity. The atmosphere extends from the surface of the earth to a height approximately 1600 kilometers where it merges into space. Got it? Now you will do the reading. I have explained everything. You will do the reading, try to understand, do your word meanings and hit the question answers. Rest I will be giving it to you. Okay? That is the atmosphere. I told you this. What is the structure of the atmosphere? What is it all about? Okay? So read and do it. And take care of yourselves. God bless and respect your parents. Bye bye. And do this for homework. Chapter 5, Geography. Whatever chapters are finishing, history is complete. Now we have come to chapter 5 in Geography. You will complete this also without fail. Bye bye. Take care.